Benito Ogalan, School Principal Jobert A. Sabanal, Assistant Principal Ana May E. Cobero, Assistant to the Principal Bernard A. Sempron, Commencement Speaker, our loving parents, friends, and most importantly, to my fellow graduates, a pleasant morning. Before I formally start the speech, I have a question for you. What if the things that you've dreamt of weren't just dreams, but the very blueprints of your future? It is indeed both honor and privilege to represent the graduates and welcome you all to this momentous graduation ceremony, school year 2024-2025. Today, we gather to celebrate not just the triumphant completion of our academic pursuits, but the beginning of something new and exciting. This is definitely not the end, but a new profound opportunity of kakapon, may it be physically, mentally, and emotionally. But amidst this circumstance, I know most of you hope for the word puhon and is consistently inspired by the word padayon. So, let each of us take a moment right now to tap ourselves at the back and whisper a heartfelt congratulations. You've worked harder than anyone else could, and now let the world see the brilliance you've carried all along. And as we finally bid goodbye to the familiar and venture to the unknown, may we always remember the lessons we've learned and the bonds we've made within the hallowed halls and four-corner rooms of our beloved alma mater. Before I end this message, I would like to leave you a famous quote from Eleanor Roosevelt. She once said that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dream fearlessly and keep manifesting what you desire. Just remember that every step, even the small ones, propel us towards the future we've always prayed for. Padayon para sa atong kaugmaon. Let our perseverance lead us to harvest. Once again, welcome and good morning.